Hello sports fans, I'm Harry and welcome to Harry's Stuff and Such. Today I plan on unboxing my Prusa Mark III that I just received, and so stick around and you can watch me unbox it. And welcome back. So like I said in the intro, I've just received my Prusa i3 Mark III yesterday in the mail, and so today I'm going to be unboxing it. Sorry about the noise in the background. I've got some printing going on with my A8, but I plan on unboxing that Mark III right now, so let's get to it. So as you can see, it got here yesterday. It was shipped on Monday. Yesterday was Friday. So that was kind of nice. Got here for the weekend. Kind of nice the way they box it up. Examine it. There's a few tears here. Looks like there's a ding here. Just checking to see how well the shipping. I got it via, it was received or shipped via UPS, so I'm just kind of seeing how well it did coming all the way from Prague to the United States. Looks like it survived. Like I said, it's got a few tears here and there, but other than that, it looks pretty good. Let's see. All right. So here's the Mark III in its box, all its glory. Looks like it got a little ding right here in the box during the shipping, but for the most part it looks pretty good. At least I think it looks pretty good. So from Prusa Research, Joseph Prusa, I'm really looking forward to unboxing this. So let's see. I got the packing list. And my invoice. Okay, set the packing list aside. Let's see what all we got here. Okay, got some nice little decals, stickers. Got Joseph's face there. Yeah, all right, some stickers. Got a 3D printing handbook. And the instruction book. Yeah, I must say this is a pretty darn nice looking instruction book, even color. I must say that was much more than I'm used to in the knockoffs that I've worked on. Looking really good here. Oh yeah, there's the power supply. Already got the switch. So I won't have to wire this up like I had to on the A8. Set that aside. So here's the Y-axis. Ooh, excuse me. and the bag of gummy bears. Here we go. Of course, the power cord. Set the gummy bears aside. This is the checkout for the inspection. It shows that the hot end also shows hot end, and the heat bed graphs look good. So they did a quality check before shipping. Let's see what's in this box. Ah, okay. So we've got the printed parts. Everything's nice and labeled. So this is the box of printed parts. Oh, okay, we got a roll of filament. Silver. PLA. You got silver PLA filament. 1.75. Now, I don't have silver. Look forward to trying this out. Alright, so the tube here, it's got the two, got two 8mm rods that are 370 millimeters, two more that are 330 millimeters, and two more that are 320. So a total of 6. And we also have the lead screws. Got 3 of those. Alright. Looking good. Motor kit. This box contains, okay, some of the other hardware. There's the LCD screen, USB connectors, zip ties. Oh wow, zip ties, cool. I won't have to worry about using my own. Got a little, looks like a little glue. I've been using the Elmer's blue back here on my A8. Nice set of little tools as well. Okay. We got a nice set of little tools, pliers, 2 screwdrivers, a blade and a Phillips, as well as the Allen wrenches. And then you got an alcohol rub, 70% alcohol, and it looks like a needle for unclogging your nozzle. Like I said, it got your LCD screen, got your sundry of screws, nuts and bolts, your idler pulleys, your belts, more nuts and bolts. Looks like a little tube. Okay, so I've got the fan, nozzle, and so forth. And then some more nuts and bolts and screws. All right. Set those aside. Let's see, what do we have in here? Bill plates, heated plate, other parts of this support. Yeah. Original Prusa i3 Mark III. Yeah, I'm looking forward to getting this put together. And the last box, which is marked motor kit. And yes, indeed, it contains all the stepper motors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stepper motors. You got your 2 Z's, X and Y, and extruder. Yeah. Yep, this is the X-axis. Neo 17's 1.8 degree stepper motor. Yep. There's the Y-axis. Yep, the extruder motor. And then the 2 Z's, which, yep. Yes, sir, I am really looking forward to this. So this basically will be part 1. I'll go ahead. I'm not going to do an assembly right now because that will take a while, and I just wanted to do the unboxing first, and then follow-on video I'll do the assembly so you can watch. I thought about doing a live stream, but I've got other things I got to do, so I'm going to split this, putting it together up in probably a couple of different videos. Just because of the time constraint. Anyways, thank you for watching this unboxing of the Prusa i3 Mark III that I just received. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, go ahead and give me a thumbs down. That's all right as well. Your prerogative. And if you've got any comments you'd like to make, please drop me a hint on what you'd like to see. Also, hey, come on guys, press that subscribe button. I could really use it. I'm trying to get that first 1,000 subscribers, so come on, give me a break. Push that button. You know you want to. So again, I'm Harry. This is Harry's Stuff and Such, and thank you for watching. Y'all have a great one now.